What are black holes? What do they do? What are they made of? How do we know where a black hole is? How are they made? I will answer each of these questions with a bit more. First of all, astronomers are not 100% sure what black holes are made up of and why. They know that black holes absorbs matter and light and squeezes it to a certain point of infinite density, also called singularity. That means that space and time, as we know them, do not exist. Black holes are a region of space having a gravitational field so intense that no matter or light can escape. Once it absorbs any material, it releases gas and radiation, also known as X-rays. Now, let us start this from the beginning. How are they made? Black holes are mainly formed by earlier massive stars. When massive stars, bigger than the Sun, begins the end of its life, the core runs out of hydrogen. After that hydrogen is gone, it causes the matter to fuse carbon into different elements like oxygen and iron. Once the core completely turns to iron, it cannot burn anymore. Then the star starts to collapse on itself. Then all the material, elements, and matter get compressed so tightly together that it causes it to gain infinite density, also known as a black hole. How do we know where a black hole is? Well, astronomers can detect a black hole by the activity of material around it. A black hole absorbs materials like the way a sink absorbs water in a swirling movement. By using this information, they have detected a black hole right here in the center of our galaxy. Luckily, it is inactive due to the lack of material and light around it. But in detecting it, they have found that there are stars and other materials around it. If one of those stars moves too close to the spherical region of the black hole, it causes it to become active. This could be very dangerous because our solar system could venture too close to the spherical region and be destroyed. With all this information, astronomers have taken this to a completely different level. Astronomers and researchers believe that if one enters a black hole, it could lead to the future of time travel. This all leads to wormholes and white holes, which is the complete opposite of a black hole. This, as they believe, could connect us to a completely different universe. But to enter into a black hole and live would practically be impossible, because all the material and matter is being pressed tightly into each other that it contracts the heat hotter than any scientist or researcher can create. So you would burn up once you hit that point of a black hole. Another way that would cause your death would be something scientists call spaghettification. Scientists believe that once you were descending inside of a black hole, the gravitational force would suck your body to a point where your body would literally look like spaghetti noodles. And I'm sure you don't want that to happen. This concludes some information on black holes. Thanks for listening.